Okay, so our goal for today is to make this, you can see in the screen, we will be making like a calculator. So notice that if I enter A, it will enter two numbers, or yeah, two numbers. So it will get the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient of just only two numbers. And again, it will go back once we press enter. So we will be putting a letter E, no, for exit, so that our program will be closed, diba? Para user-friendly ang atong program. Now, using if else na statement, okay, dili switch ha, if else. So yeah, let's put everything. Ayan. Okay, so we will be creating a menu. So once again, you saw earlier na we used A, B, C, D, and E as our menu. Tama? Okay. For our exam, for example, I'll be asking you to put designs like box or square, put something like that. But sa atong nakita ganina, wala siya ingon ato, so diretso na ta, ay, diretso na ta A as for addition. So, yan, A addition, B is for subtraction. Okay, lagyan natin yung backslash yan. So, just copy, para dali na lang. B, C, D, then E as in exit. Ay. Then division. Okay, this one is exit. Okay, and then choice. Of course, we have to ask the user to, of course, put their choice. Okay, since A, B, C, D, and E are characters, dili siya in, so car itong gamiton, no? Car, for example, choice. Our variable name would be choice. Okay. And also, we have to declare float num1 and num2 as our variables, since we will be asked to enter the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of only two numbers. We have float num1, num2, and can also have result as our variables. Okay. The next thing we have to do is to, diba, if else, ang atong gamiton, dili switch. So on your exam, I might be asking, or yeah, I might be asking you to do it in a switch case or in an if else statement. So yeah, we have to use if statement here. So if choice is equal to A. So guys, notice itong apostrophe dito. This will be used. Okay, take note. This will always be used if our choice is character. Okay, so if choice is equal to A, then we will be asked to input two numbers. Enter num1. So let's copy. So num2 na. Okay, and then the result, which is the sum of the two numbers. Okay, so I think this is it, but we have to put these signs here, diba? For us to be able to go back to the menu. So let's name this as our menu, sorry, or can name it back na lang. Sige, we'll go to back. So let's try. Okay, everything in C++ is sometimes in C++ we have to do it in a trial and error method. So i-try na to, no? When we program, dili na to isahon yung tanan from A to E. I-try sa nato si A, ug run, and then si B, ug run. Later on, isa-isahon nato siya. It's correct. So let's see. If we press A, 4.5, 4.6, 9.1. So wala nigaw sa 9.1 since we forgot to display the result. The sum, two numbers, or the sum of, pwede natin gawin yung num1 space and num2 is, diba? So let's try a 4.5, 4.6. So the sum is 9.1. Okay, so let's just put end line. Para si system pause, yung press any key to continue will be on the next line. Okay, let's see. So 4.5, 4.6, ayan. So si system pause, which is ang press any key dito, was already put on the next line. Okay, so the sum of 4.5 and 4.6 is 9.1. Okay, now let's have choice B. So, sir, what if sir nag-press C user og A, but it's still A? So, our program will not be user-friendly. Right? Kay A man gyapon ng A. So, gusto po na ko na pag mag-press ko og small a, gawas pud si katong choice na A. Alright, guys, I have already taught us the usage of the logical operators. Now we have and or. Now in this case, we will be using or because, sige, tanan na to hang anong or. If either of the two becomes 1, automatically the statement of the whole operator will be true. If that will be true, if either of these statements will be true, then true na yung statement. So meaning mag-1 na to siya, it means that this will be the process inside of that will be run. Okay? Mag-execute siya. Okay? Now let's go with choice B. Else if. So else if, ngayon we will now be having B as our. So copy na natin lahat. No? Kay subtraction naman siya, we will just change this into minus. Diba? Very easy. So instead of using sum, so difference na po siya. So the difference, and then what else should we change? I guess there's none. So let's try A na small. Okay, it run. So pag B naman tayo, alright. So let's try 4.5, 4.6 dapat negative 0. Oh, wow, that's so exact. So yeah, negative 0.01, no? Pag round off. Okay, so yeah, there you go with the difference. Now let's have the product, which is choice C. Choice C. So let's copy and just change. Okay, notice ha, naga-indent ko, no? So, indentation para mas klaro atong program, mas readable siya. So, pag choice C daw, meaning the product, and this one will be changed into asterisk. Okay, let's try. So, choice C. There you go. So, yeah, if you can see that, we have the correct answer. Now, lastly, D, and we also have E pa pala, no? So, okay. So, wag na lang natin i-copy para di siya magulo. So, choice D. D, and this is D. So, CD would just be different, quotient. So, this is division. Okay, and then else if ang choice E. So, E, oops, sorry. Or E. Sa ba? Okay, the curly braces. So you just put nothing, or you can put return 0. There's no problem. Then else, which means that if we have pressed F to Z or any key, so delete A, B, C, D, and E, then you have to say that the user has entered the wrong. So you said error. Please input the correct character. Parang ganyan, okay? So you as a programmer will be the one in charge. What will you put here? Pero if on your exam there is an instruction there na you have to put this, then yun dapat yung sundin. Okay? Okay, oh, of course, pag error ang input sa user, then he has to, or the program has to go back to asking the user to input the correct character. Diba? So say, for example, we entered F, of course, diba? Okay, ayan. Okay, so yeah, I think this is it for the program. Let's verify one more time. Sorry. Okay, guys, may error na ganito, right? It's because ID returned one exit status. What does that mean? So the program is running. As you can see, it's running here. Pero giran na to siya usab. Will give this error. Okay. So yeah, let's try pressing E. Okay, na-exit siya. So what if we press A or D muna? No, we haven't tried the division. So ayan po. Gave us the correct answer. Now, for your activity, you are going to um, change the program. Instead of using the if else, you will be creating its switch statement. All right. So I hope you have learned something from this example. Thank you and have a very nice day.